Okay, here's what we have for paints. Two cans of this, 2 cans of this. I got 2 cans of this. It's a pearlescent clear. Also some high build primer, some spot putty, a little bit of fill. I have some plastic weld. I'll show you what that's for later. We are going to remove the grill and redo it. So my plan is all of this is going to be in the gray around inside the headlight. Bezel will be gray as well, and then the back will be in the black. So we're going to remove that tonight. Remove the grill. And then after that's finished, just a second, I'm going to grab a light just so we can see better. So you can see what I'm showing you. And then we're going to remove these and fix them. As you can see, it's got a chip missing out of it. There's some cracks. The other one's got some cracks in it. Little chip as well. So again, what I'm going to do with these is around the outside edge. It's going to be in the gray. I'm going to do the backing of it in black. The plastic weld is also to fix those chips. So let's see how that works out.
use the very long screws to hold that grill in. Has to go in about that far, and then the rest of it's just the rest of it. Just putting these all back together. These are interesting that they use these to put it in because they're not actually clipping them. They're just using them as little nuts instead of having it clipped in there and then using it that way. Usually they'll have it pinched in between something, but no, it's using it as a nut. Out. Put some right in there. Huh.